Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders. Gonna go over today's trades. Pretty active morning. At first, things were kind of setting up, but all of a sudden, it seemed like a lot was moving. So let's go over this morning's trades. So I got BIAF here. We have a nice gapper, first green day that was failing to break down, held open price, and then when I was seeing it, it was holding Vwap and around this 215, 217 resistance support area. So when it looked like it was holding that, volume kept coming in. Demand was pretty strong on this play early on. It just kept sustaining. Let's see here. So yeah, catch this trade live. Just a quick snipe within 2-3 minutes. I'm up 11-12%. I lock it in, and then it fails to break down. What really happens is you get this 1 minute of decent selling pressure, and after that it fades. But there is no force behind it. There's no selling pressure. So you get a little fake out of the Vwap breakdown, but what it does is continue to hold open price as well as two psychologically key area, whole dollar, half dollar level. So then when it came back, this here would be after the live stream. I got off what was it, 7:20 in the morning here Pacific time. So then just a few minutes later, I'm looking at this while I'm in the car just chilling, about to get coffee. I see it start perking up and holding VWAP and just continuing to hold these key areas. So when I saw the morning spike into a key area on the daily chart, I figured shorts are in this. It's got a horrible history. It's a biotech, which aren't really the best. They can spike, but ultimately pretty good losers as it's a expensive sector to be in. So there's a lot of money going towards um, research and whatnot. So they're usually diluting their plays and selling shares into the spikes. So when we were still down here, it was failing to break down. I thought we had a nice trap from shorts getting in the 260s and pre-market. That was a key area as well in the mid twos. So I pretty much just saw this as a failure on shorts to really break this down, and they're trapped in this. So as it's making higher lows, holding key areas, I thought we can get another squeeze. And that is what happened. I couldn't hold on to it as long as I wanted to. I thought we can get to resistance in the low threes. That's the next area. But taking 20%, 244 to 291 on that second move, I will take it. And there was a little bit more size on that one. So not bad of a day. Just about 260 on the day, 270 over these two trades. So not bad at all. And that's where I stopped. I was happy on the day. Didn't want to risk it with other plays. There were some moves I did miss. OTRK here, as what do you call it, was fading. I was watching this just take off without me, right out of the watch list. Multi-day bounce. Been watching it for a couple of days now after its huge run up, and we got short locking in profits and dip buyers coming back. So that's really all the fuel behind that play was. And once all that pressure is gone, nothing left for it to do but go down or sideways. So that's OTRK. That was a mistrade, which was kind of unfortunate. Really took off. And there was TRKA from the watch list, but that one took off overnight and did everything I wanted overnight. So that was annoying to see, but it happens. Can't get stuck on these plays and believe they have to make another move for you because you missed it. That can happen. Just missing plays really gets to you emotionally and leads to other bad decisions. So usually when something just does everything I want pre-market, I just ignore it. Um, so sucks to see that just take off. But hey, I got what I needed. There was WISA as well. This was another top watch in the morning that I left the stream with. It was saying top watches are BIAF and WISA. And both those worked out. This was a 19 1905 breakout, and it continued higher. Or sorry, the other one was 1905. This one, oh, I see. This is getting mixed up. This new update with this, so annoying. It used to be where this one ticker would go through each single time frame as long as they're all linked up, but now it's separate. It's so annoying. But yeah, WISA 1905. This is a solid breakout. I mentioned how it's gonna be a pretty tough one to really give a nice move, as you got a huge area of conviction for sellers and short sellers all up in that 19 area, as there's a lot of selling going on. Massive red candle here. So I thought it would need a little bit more time to consolidate, suck in the volume, and filter through all the sellers and still hold up to give the squeeze. But not too far, almost midday here. Just kept making higher lows, failed to break down. Demand wasn't too bad, kept coming in. Everything we look for on the fade, lighter selling and volume as it keeps holding up. Um, and that went right to goals around 22, 23. So this was another one right out of the watch list. So just want to go over some of these plays. What's going on? Oh, bad internet. Okay. Well, I'll just ramble on here a little bit. So, it's good to just take your quick gains. I could have got greedy besides BIAF and try to force other plays like GROM late day. That was a nice open price Vwap claim. When it failed to break down, there was a nice angle there. But in this market, although there are plays coming around often, just take your quick gains. Don't get greedy. Let your gains compound over time, and just take it day by day. No looking for home runs, just 10, 15, 20% day in and day out. That will make a difference in your account. So I'll be back with a video lesson going over the top plays for tomorrow. But pretty pumped about BIAF. That was the focus play in the morning. Got it all on live stream, at least the first trade. So that was pretty cool. But also recognizing if this fails to break down, this could be another play. So good alert from the live stream this morning.